Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we share fascinating stories, intriguing facts, and compelling narratives about history, culture, and much more. If you're a returning subscriber, we are glad to see you back. If you haven't subscribed yet, we invite you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. And now, let's dive into today's topic. We are about to explore the life and legacy of PV Narasimha Rao, the unsung hero of the Indian economy. His story is a testament to vision, courage, and transformative leadership. So, let's get started. Today, we're talking about a transformative figure in Indian history, Pamulapati Venkat Narasimha Rao, better known as PV Narasimha Rao. His tenure as India's Prime Minister from 1991 to 1996 brought about a pivotal change in India's economic story. Today, we dive into this lesser-known but remarkable narrative of India's economic reform. Who was PV Narasimha Rao? PV Narasimha Rao was the 9th Prime Minister of India, but what sets him apart was his exceptional skill and knowledge. Rao was a polyglot, fluent in 13 languages. He was well educated, with a background in law and journalism, and he had a vast experience in politics before he stepped into the shoes of the Prime Minister. He wasn't just a politician but a scholar, which he proved when the Indian economy was at the brink of collapse. The challenge of 1991. In 1991, when Rao took office, India was in an economic crisis. Our foreign reserves were critically low enough only for a few weeks of essential imports. We were on the brink of defaulting on our international loans, causing global humiliation. This situation was a ticking time bomb and needed immediate attention. The policy revolution. Rao made the bold decision to appoint Dr. Manmohan Singh, an economist, as his finance minister. Together, they embarked on a path of radical reform. Rao's government undertook a series of structural reforms, collectively known as liberalization, privatization, and globalization, or LPG in short. The effects of LPG. These reforms marked a significant departure from the previous socialist policies. They opened the Indian market to foreign players, reduced the red tape, and removed regulatory barriers. The impact was extraordinary. The foreign reserves soared, inflation was tamed, and the GDP growth rate improved. Indian economy was saved from the brink of collapse. Narasimha Rao's tenure saw the dismantling of the Licence Raj, a system where the growth of private industries was heavily regulated. With the new economic reforms, businesses didn't need the government's permission for every little thing. The foreign direct investment, FDI, was encouraged, and many sectors were opened up for private and foreign players, which was a drastic change. The economic liberalization had immediate and long-term effects. Short-term, it helped in stabilizing the financial crisis by increasing foreign exchange reserves. It also helped bring down the inflation rate that was spiraling out of control. In the long term, it led to the expansion of the private sector, leading to increased competition. This resulted in better quality goods and services at competitive prices. This period saw the rise of global Indian companies and the start of the IT revolution in India. With more FDIs and foreign companies setting up shops in India, it led to increased job opportunities. The GDP growth rate improved, and India started its journey towards becoming an economic powerhouse. The infrastructure sector, telecommunications, civil aviation, and many others saw a significant improvement. For example, before liberalization, we had a single telecom service provider, a government entity. Post-liberalization, multiple players came into the market, leading to improved services, coverage, and affordable rates. India also witnessed significant progress in capital markets. The reforms in the banking and financial sector led to the establishment of private banks, thus enhancing efficiency and competition. The role of regulatory authorities like SEBI was strengthened to protect the interests of investors. Rao's economic reform was comprehensive and touched almost every aspect of the Indian economy. It shaped the Indian economy as we know it today. Rao's legacy. Despite the initial criticism and resistance, the LPG reforms set the foundation for the modern Indian economy. Rao's leadership at this crucial juncture steered India towards becoming a global economic player. His vision and determination changed India's economic course, making him a true game changer. So, that's the story of PV Narasimha Rao, the unsung hero of the Indian economy. His contribution may be understated, but its impact resonates to this day. We hope this video sheds light on this critical chapter of Indian history. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such interesting content. Stay tuned.